Hey everyone, we have got this Presto dishwash gel, so let's check it out. This is 750 ml bottle, MRP is 179 and we got it from Amazon for just 99. This is Amazon home brand product, link is given in the description box. To open, pull this green cap upward and the liquid will come out in a stream. Take as much as you need. The entire cap can also be opened. The consistency of this gel is runny. It is slightly thinner compared to Vim and the liquid is yellow in color like a lemon drop and it has fresh citrusy lemon fragrance. To use it, mix 1 spoon approx 4 ml with 40 ml of water. Dip the sponge in it and it will create good lather. It removes grease very well and leave no white residue on utensils like the dishwash bar leaves. And it is also safe on hand, no issues. Still, I will recommend you to use the moisturizer after use. Basically, you will get a decent dishwash gel at the half price of Vim gel. So why not give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.